And let's begin now with Umi Jamali, a Junior Council of United Republic of Tanzania. The chairperson is here representing the 23 million children of Tanzania. Karibu sana, and let's please welcome her with our hands. Karibu sana.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My fellow children, good morning. Let me start off by reminding you all that the right of children to participate in decisions that are most relevant to their well-being is a central principle of the Convention of the Rights of the Child and the Tanzania Law of the Child Act in 2009. So, on behalf of all children in Tanzania, I would like to thank UNICEF and its partners for recognizing the importance of child participation in this celebration of 25 years of the CRC and giving us a space on this stage to share our voice. I would also like to thank the Ministry of Community Development, Gender and Children for their continuous support to the Junior Council of the United Republic of Tanzania. I just want to give you a brief history of the Junior Council of the United Republic of Tanzania for short. The Baraza started with a big mobilization of children that took place during the run-up to the 2002 UN Special Session on Children. Thousands of children across Tanzania shared ideas and helped to set priorities that were included in Tanzania's presentation to the UN General Assembly. The mobilization experience was very positive, but many children had one big concern, and that was the fact that there was no formal structure through which their participation could be sustained after the special session. So, a group of children suggested the creation of a permanent forum to represent Tanzania's children. This idea was supported by the Ministry of Community Development, Gender and Children, and many other organizations. In short, this is how the Baraza was born in 2002. The goal of the Baraza is to establish forums at district, regional and national levels through which the elected representatives of children, like myself, will be able to contribute to discussions and decisions on issues affecting Tanzania children. The Baraza believes that no child should be left out of development and that the best way forward for Tanzania is to invest in children. And thanks to the Baraza, I can stand here today to represent all the children of Tanzania. Since the establishment of the Baraza at the national level, we have achieved many things, but I will only mention a few. First, through community events, national and international forums, radio and TV programs, among others, we have managed to educate many children and the community at large about children's rights. As a result, more children are now aware of their rights and can speak out when their rights are being violated. Second, we were able to voice our issues and concerns at the CRC committee, so Tanzania's children were heard at the global level, and we hope that when the government meets with the committee in January 2015, our concerns will be represented. Third, we met with the President of the United Republic of Tanzania, Hon. Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete, and asked him many questions about the challenges facing children across the country. And he has promised us that he will work on them during his term in office. Fourth, children from across the country were consulted in the Constitution review process, and our recommendations were submitted to the Constitution Review Committee. And we were happy to see that the final draftee has an article focusing on child rights, Article 15, which also recognizes a child as under the age of 18. In addition to the many achievements we have had, there are still some challenges that we need to address. The first one is some leaders, teachers, parents, and community members still do not recognize and understand child rights and the importance of child participation. So we are often left out in the decision-making process in matters that concern us. And the second one is we do not have enough financial resources to turn our barazas, so we are always not be able to reach all children and all the barazas at the village, district, and regional level, especially at the village level. Today, Tanzania has 23 million children. As we look into the future, our goal is to reach every child and the community at large so that they may all know, understand, and fulfill child rights. We hope that we will be able to make significant progress in fulfilling child rights and supporting children's participation through barazas from the village, district, regional, and national levels. In the next 25 years, I will be 41 years old. Hopeful with children of my own, and I hope to see a Tanzania where all children have their rights fulfilled, their right to education, survival, development, and participation. If we continue to work in partnership with the government, development partners, and the private sector, I think we will be able to achieve our goals. Asanteni sana kwa kunisikiliza. Thank you, guys.